Good morning. This is Patrick McCullough, forecaster here at the National Weather Service office in San Angelo. Look at the decision support briefing through the weekend and into next week across west central Texas. And again, the big weather story really is that the typical summer pattern has kind of settled in across west central Texas. May not be the end of the severe weather season. There's always some chances well into the summer, but I think the chances are decreasing as we settle into this pattern for the summer months. Again, we're talking about highs mainly in the low to mid 90s for a few areas, maybe creeping up into the upper 90s for a few locations across the area. Lows around 70 for most areas. We'll see south winds of 10 to 15 miles per hour, but we'll see some gusts during the daylight hours of 20 or 25 miles per hour at times. Again, mainly a dry forecast through the weekend and into at least the middle of next week. A stray shower thunderstorm is possible during the afternoon hours, but again, chances are incredibly low, and I think the vast majority of the area will remain dry into the beginning and middle portions of next week. A quick look at a few of the selected cities forecast and probability of precipitation across the area. Again, we see those highs, especially as you head up toward Abilene, maybe that might be one of the warmer spots across the big country. Abilene, Sweetwater, where some mid and upper 90s across the area. But most of the area would generally be in the mid 90s for much of the region. Looking at the sort of the longer 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we see that the upper level ridge is going to build some well above normal temperatures across the eastern portions of the United States. We're kind of right on the edge, so again, temperature is pretty close to where they should be for this time of year. Rainfall wise, again, mainly a dry forecast into the beginning and middle of next week, but some hope that by the end of next week and into the weekend, as we get to the end of that 6 to 10 day outlook, we may start to see some rainfall creep up to at least some scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms across the area and bring a little better chance of rainfall back to the region. Drought summary, the recent rainfall has really done some good to end most of the drought conditions across west central Texas. Although, again, the hill country, Edwards Plateau, still seeing some abnormally dry to a few areas of some moderate drought remaining across the area. Again, these are the regions of west central Texas that we always talk about. If you need a map, here it is. One last thing is the weather radio outage does continue across west central Texas as we continue to upgrade our software and hardware across the area. We were hoping to have it up by now, but boy, right now it's still lingering into this Thursday, the 19th, and we're hoping that it will be up by tomorrow, Friday, June 20th, across the area. Again, for more information, give us a holler. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube, and of course on X, Twitter.